LLCs are called limited liability companies, as you likely know. They protect your personal assets from your business, so they make your business separate. The idea behind them can kind of help clarify. So they originally started as corporations, and they're designed to encourage people to invest in new ideas, new businesses. And to do that, you want them to have some level of protection. Let's say that you've spent your whole life in a W-2 job and you don't want to risk everything you have to make these new shoes that could injure somebody, and then they take everything you have. So it is designed to allow you to invest with some level of freedom. And so it's encouraging this American entrepreneurial spirit to go out and invest and know what's being risked without risking your home, your car, your retirement, everything. What they did was allow these corporations to be separate. Now we have LLCs. LLCs are by far the most dominant entity that does the same type of protection. We start an LLC and we put, let's say, $5,000 in it. That is what we are risking. And then this LLC becomes its own business. So let's take this drafted legal. This business now sells templates, sells LLCs, and it interacts with the world, hires people, goes on joint ventures, and operates in the world on its own. So if someone is angry at this LLC, they sue the LLC, not the owners of the LLC. So that's the whole idea, is that this LLC is making all the contracts. It owns all the intellectual property. It owns all the things, so that it is by itself. So if there's a problem, the lawsuit goes against the LLC, and then any savings or anything that the owners have acquired is still protected. So those personal assets are still protected. It's a really cool encouragement to go try to build businesses, create services, do good things that people, pay that company for, and giving you that peace of mind. Now, whatever's in that LLC will be not protected. So if it gets sued, that $5,000, if the account's bigger or the assets are bigger, or whatever, that can be available. But you always have that protection for the owners. So I hope that helps explain it in simple terms. It's just something separate. Drafted legal LLC is its separate thing. It's its own entity, and it interacts. The way it interacts, though, is through a manager of it, or a member of it, or an agent of it. So when you're thinking of creating an LLC, you're creating this LLC, and then you're the agent. You hire the people on behalf of it, sell the widgets on behalf of it. You create the intellectual property for it. And so that's why you'll see in our other videos, we talk about how to sign for an LLC. It'll be Wesley Henderson, manager. Just to show I'm not doing it individually, I'm doing it on behalf of this LLC. Hope that simplifies it a little bit. But use an LLC. If you're trying to make money with a business, use an LLC.